Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Dashboard. This feature allows you to visualize your team's progress, track key metrics, and keep everyone aligned on project goals through customizable charts and widgets. To get started, click the plan triangle icon in your workspace, then select Report from the left sidebar. This will open your Asana Home dashboard, where all your reporting and data visualization tools live. Once you're in the report section, you'll see any existing dashboards you or your team have created. Click on the designated dashboard you want to view or edit. If you're starting fresh, simply click the Create Dashboard button to build a new one from scratch. This is where you'll centralize all your project data in one visual space. Now comes the fun part, adding charts. Click Add Chart on your dashboard to create a new visualization. You'll see options for template chart, custom chart, or even a text widget if you want to add context or instructions alongside your data. Template charts are great if you need something quick, while custom charts give you full control over what you're tracking. Next, choose the type of chart that best fits your data. Asana offers bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and progress trackers, each serving different purposes depending on what you're trying to monitor. After selecting your chart type, set the data source. This is where you define what information the chart will display, whether it's tasks, due dates, assignees, or specific project sections. This step ensures your chart reflects the exact data you need to track. To refine your chart further, use filters like date range, task status, or assignee. These filters help you narrow down the data so you're only seeing what's relevant, making your dashboard cleaner and more actionable. Once you're satisfied with your chart setup, click Save to add it to your dashboard. Your chart will now appear alongside any other widgets you've created. If you need to make changes later, simply hover over any chart and you'll see options to edit, duplicate, or remove it. You can also copy the image or download it directly, which is handy for reports or presentations. Use your dashboard regularly to track project progress visually, identify blockers before they become problems, and monitor task completion across your team. The visual format makes it much easier to spot trends and patterns than scrolling through endless task lists. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share at the top right to invite teammates or copy the link to distribute. This ensures everyone has access to the same real-time data. The best part about Asana dashboards is they update automatically with live project data, so you're always looking at current information. Just refresh when needed to see the latest updates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.